In this episode, off-road, I'm lost, airplane, and destination. This was my first time ever trying to go off-road on a bike. Okay, so far so good. Here I started thinking I might drop the bike, but not in the puddle. Let's accelerate it through. Danger is not done. The road is pretty bad.
Whoa.
Now I was thinking no more trees, so no more wet road, and it's pretty warm, so I should be good.
Dobra. Najgorsze za nami chyba. Gdzie my jesteśmy?
Now I'm started to think if I'm lost or not. At least road is easy, right? Where to go? I think I should go right.
Ta droga chyba jest lepsza. O.
Not sure if you can see that, but when I was riding, there was a plane that was landing, and on the field there was an airport. That was crazy. I never seen anything like that.
Pięknie. Świetnie. No, było warto. Źródła królewskie.
Just look, what a beautiful sight. It was well worth it.